Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pankaj Sharma, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am going to discuss about the types of joints or types of simply we can say supports used in structure. First of all, the structure, what is structure? Structure is nothing but it is used just to carry loads. And for a particular structure, the degree of freedom is 0, it is not a moving part. And another we can say the structure used, the types, the joints, or we can simply say the uh, supports. And structure, now structure use the condition of equilibrium also. Conditions of equilibrium also. Sigma F is equal to 0 and sigma M is equal to 0. So we can use the value of unknowns using these equations. Some type of the combination of supports make structure become statically indeterminate. In that case, we use additional equations known as the compatibility equations. Compatibility equations. And the nature of compatibility equations depends on the type of problem. So now, today I am discussing about the types of supports we use in structure. So in terms of supports, first support is supports. First support is fixed support, fixed or we can say clamped. Second support is uh, pin joint, pin or hinge support. And the third one is roller support. And fourth one, we will discuss about the problems, numerical problems, which is based on this nature of supports. So in this lecture, we just discuss about the nature of supports, clamp supports. It is clamp support. It is clamped or fixed. Clamped or fixed. It is a rod, it is fixed to the wall here. So when we draw the free body diagram, we can say the types of reaction applied by this vertical wall to this rod. These are the reactions. So we have to draw the free body diagram of this rod, and suppose the weight of this rod is made by homogeneous, it is homogeneous rod, and so the weight of the rod is acting at the mid of its span, mg. Now the nature of this clamp support is the vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and moment reaction. Vertical because it is a structure. So it follows Fy is equal to 0. Fy in the vertical direction. Fx, horizontal direction. So Fy is equal to 0. It must be satisfied. So how it can be satisfied? The weight of the beam is acting downward. So the reaction must be upward. I am again emphasizing this word. The direction of reaction be always assumed. Suppose this rod is subjected to a axial force in this direction also. So the horizontal reaction, this clamp support means it does not allow any translation move. So it can prevent this rod. So there must be a horizontal reaction must be there. And it is the weight, simply externally weight or externally weight may be there. So this vertical weight just trying to rotate this beam, just to make equilibrium of this rod, equilibrium of this structure. This example, all examples are pertaining to structure, not moving. So movement reaction must be there. Otherwise it can rotate. So it is very important to say that it is the nature depends on the nature of the problem. Suppose I am just take a simple example. Take a simple example just to clear the concept about this fixed support. It is a rod and it is pulled by F1 force. So what are the end? The weight of the beam is negligible. Weight of the beam is negligible. So in this condition, what are the supports reactions? What are the supports reactions? So in that case, we can simply draw the free body diagram. It is a rod subjected to external axial force F1. So just to make equilibrium of this rod, it just clamp at this point. So reaction must be present. Otherwise, it can move in the horizontal, in the axial direction, horizontal direction. And simply we can say there is no vertical force. Weight of the beam is negligible and there is no vertical force is there. So means there is no vertical reaction. Ry, Rx. And no vertical force means the beam is not rotate. Means the moment reaction is 0. We can more simplify about this example. The clamp support. The clamp support, it is I am again just to explain this example. It is a rod. Weightless rod. And it is pulled by force F1. And it is clamped at this location. So the property of clamp we can directly write. We can write it here, nothing. Ry, direction of reaction may assume, and movement reactions. The direction of reactions may assume. These are the properties Rx, Ry and M. These provides by the clamp to this beam. And what are the values? The values are depend on the type of external force. The value of external force. Now we can say only one horizontal force is there, axial force is there. Just to make an equilibrium condition, sigma Fx is equal to 0. So Fx is equal to 0. Use simply Rx equal to F1. There is no vertical force, is there? No vertical force. So we can directly put it here, Ry is 0. Sigma Fy is nothing, it is not applicable because there is no vertical force is there. No vertical force is there means this rod is not being rotated. That means at the moment reaction, the reaction moment is 0. I am taking this example again some complex manner like that. It is a rod and it is pulled by F force. Weight of the beam is mg. Weight of this rod is mg. So in this case, we just want to evaluate the types of reactions at the joint, at the support. So how? We have to draw the free body diagram of this. So it is F, it is externally force, and it is uniformly rod. Uniform rod means the weight of the beam is acting at the mid of its point. The length is L, so it is L by 2, L by 2. Now, we just draw as per the nature of this clamp support. It is Ry direction. I am again saying Rx, Ry all always assume, and moment reaction is M. So in this problem, I have to check sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0 gives Rx equal to F. Now sigma Fy is equal to 0. So Ry equal to, it is assumed, Ry equal to mg. The mg is Ry is equal to 0. Only a single, simply weight of the force is acting, nothing. And what about moment reaction? What about moment reaction? So at this point O, external acting moment, external or acting moment at support is how much? F is not responsible to bend this beam, only mg is responsible. So acting force is mg into distance is L by 2 with respect to this point, force into distance L by 2, and the nature of this acting moment is mg L by 2 is direction clockwise. It is become a structure, so net moment must be 0. So at this point with respect to O, the net moment must be 0. Direction may assume is M. M is reacting moment. Direction it is anti-clockwise. And the acting moment is mg L by 2. It is, I think I'm not. mg L by 2 is direction clockwise. So clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. So what about the value of m naught? It is mg L by 2. So it is a property of the clamp support. So I'm again saying the clamp support is nothing but Ry is there, Rx is there, and net moment, reacting moment is there. And all these values are depends on the external values. I am taking one more example just to understand the concept. For this fixed support, suppose F1 and F2. The weight of the beam is negligible. Weight of the beam, it is nothing but a beam just to carry loads. If it is 0, and it is L by 2, it is L by 2. We just want to calculate the support reactions. Support reactions. So how? First of all, we draw the free body diagram. F1 and F2. Support, claim support properties. Ry, Rx, and net movement m naught. So now, these are the external forces, these are the reaction values, internal forces. Just to make this rod in equilibrium position, Fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0, the summation of Fx is equal to 0 gives the value of Rx becomes 0. No horizontal reaction provided by this wall because no acting force along the x direction, horizontal direction. What about Ry? So Fy is equal to 0. Fy, I am assuming the Ry is upward and F1, F2 are downward. So we can say F1 plus F2. It is downward, it is upward. And finally, the moment at this point, the acting moments are nothing but F1L plus F2L by 2. Direction of both movements are same clockwise. So the clockwise movement, and at this point the reacting movement is m naught, and as per the equations of equilibrium, net movement with respect to support is 0. So we can say the direction of m naught is assuming in this direction, no problem. So clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. So the expression for m naught is F1L plus F2L by 2. So finally, I am concluding about the support for this fixed support. Direction of Ry is there, Rx is there, and movement is there. I am again saying the direction of reactions are assumed. If the value of Rx means the value of reactions are positive, that is okay. If the value suppose the value of Rx is negative, so we can just reverse this direction. Thank you.